in the whip on the strip, get the strip in my windows is tinted, let's go. My backseat ain't empty, we just left the Fendi, we getting it all over the place. This is why I need the family, this is why I need.
Yo, what's up, YouTube? I got a banger for y'all today. You know, if you cut hair, man, then I'm sure you experience some type of problem with one of these guys. There's plenty of them, and I know you probably experienced one. But the two I'm having with this one right here is, it's loud as heck, and it's not cutting no hair. Let me let y'all hear it. Yeah, super loud, right? Compared to a brand new one out the box, only used one time. Big difference right there. So we're gonna fix that. We're gonna fix that. We're gonna get you right. Oh, and to give you an example too, how it's not cutting no hair. See that? Still got my hair. Still got my hair. No hair missing. Alright. So we're gonna fix this problem today. Alright. So with that problem, you're gonna need one of these. Boom. Not just the blade, the whole thing, the whole housing, or whatever you want to call it, the whole thing, the whole kit. Let's jump right into this. Feel me? Boop. Get you that good babyless, you know? Just take these off right here. Let's take this off. All right, we got that off. Let me clean this a little bit. Brush it down. Then we got that whole piece off. We got the screws off. We got everything off. This right here is one of the problems for the noise. And the problem for why it's not cutting hair, simply, the blade is bent. I don't know if you can really tell. Probably can't, but the blade is bent. So this is trash. Mind you, to listen to this now. Can't even hear it. Sounds amazing, I know. All right, let's take this one right here, right out the box, right out the pack here. That brand new thing. That brand new. Yes, sir. Look at that. Brand new, oiled, everything. Let's get this bad boy on here. Let's get this bad boy on. Oop. Oop. Get this plate on there, y'all. All right, it's on there. Let's hear it now. Wow. That's all I can say is, wow. Amazing. Reminds me when I first got it. Super duper quiet. Let's see if it's cutting hair now. Oh, yeah, it's cutting. It is cutting. don't want to cut too much off. I just want to give you an example. Oh yeah, it's cutting. Let's compare it to this other brand new one that's only had one use. Now the one I just fixed. Big difference. So now all that's left for me is I need to zero gap this and I'm ready to go. That simple. And that's how you fix the noise or non-cutting on a Babyliss FX.
Sitting in the whip on the strip, in the strip, and my windows is tinted, let's go. My backseat ain't empty, we just left the Fendi, we getting it all over the place. This is why I need the fam, this is why I need